Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how AI profiles works and how this can help you write better scripts, better content, and more improved research using the AI profiles. So here's how this is going to work. In the AI Assistant section for IRA, you'll find a new button. When you click this, it'll open up the AI profile creation, where you'll have the ability to create profiles, edit, and delete your existing profiles. Now, here is what creating a profile looks like. There is basically a series of questions that each have tooltips so you can get some more detail on what these are. And once you answer these questions, this is going to help construct your AI profile. So simply read the question, read the tooltip if you need some extra context. I do recommend reading the tooltip to give the best answers here. Once you have provided these answers, you can also select your tonality. You can include emojis if this is things like email subject lines, or even if you just like to include emojis in your writing. Um, these answers are very specific and they are going to help tailor your messages to make your teleprompter writing, your content more effective at increasing conversions, more effective videos. So do make sure you are answering these to the best of your ability, specific to your products and services and experience. And lastly, there is this checkbox here, which is the charm method. This is a proprietary writing method developed and researched by by us, that will improve the effectiveness of your writing, making it more effective for sales, for conversions. It's going to also provide some context here for what the charm method stands for. I highly encourage everyone to use the charm method when writing your video scripts. Most video scripts should be using the charm method, unless it's like a very basic tutorial or something sort of not meant to convince someone of something. But in most cases, a charm method is going to be recommended. Now, once you've created a profile, you can close or save this menu. And then once the menu is closed, you will have the option to select from this profile or even create another profile. Once the profile is selected, anything you type into the prompt, it's already going to have all this information available. So this is superior to things like ChatGPT or other AI tools because it already understands who you are. We've told it everything about your business, about what you should be trying to accomplish, what success looks like for your clients. It incorporates all this information into anything that you ask it, so that your messages that it recommends are going to be hyper personalized and specific to your business, your goals, your end users' goals. So that's what this looks like to enter this. So now that I have a profile selected, I can say something like this: write me an email to get new clients. And it already knows everything about me in order to do this. So it knows what we're selling, what we're doing. It says my position, my title, gave me everything I needed to here right in that email. Now, if it wasn't an email, if it was a regular script, I have the ability to now import this to the teleprompter. I can import this to an avatar video, a voice to text or text to voice. I can also click here to preview this. We always recommend to preview your videos to make sure you read them out loud, either yourself or with the AI voice, so that you make sure they sound correct to your ear before you go record it in a teleprompter or import it to a voice video. So this is what it looks like to use the new writing profile. You can enter very simple commands, simple sentences, because the profile is truly going to understand who you are, about your business, about your clients, and what success looks like. So this is all that it takes now that you've created a profile, is we can come use much simpler commands and sentences and prompts. And this is what the future of communicating with AI looks like, guys. Instead of complex, convoluted, multiple step prompts, we're going to be able to do a little bit of setup to make sure that AI understands exactly what we want. And then we can communicate with it very simply, just like it was our own employee.